Hey everyone, it's Deb here from the greenhouses, and we're doing an unboxing. We just got a shipment of plugs in from DeVry. DeVry is a young plant supplier as well as like a wholesaler, but we purchased some plugs from them. They have a brand. Some of the brand they have is called Syngenta, and so that would be our most local supplier for Syngenta. Any guesses? This is a sunflower. It's a Sunflower Sinfinity Double Yellow. We had these last year. We got just a trial of them and they were so pretty. They look like a teddy bear sunflower sort of, and they're short and compact. They get maybe up to 2 feet tall max. And they're ever blooming. So they're just gonna bloom continuously.
As long as you trim the old blooms.
Yeah, they do need some deadheading, but it's totally worth it because normally we wouldn't get sunflowers till late in the fall.
Yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there because I did grow them in my pots
Yeah.
last summer.
Okay, it looks like all three of these are, I don't remember ordering that many, but
Yeah, I looked at the paper.
okay. Next. We have, ooh, Petunia Itzies. They already have blooms on them. So last year in our royal baskets, we used Petunia Bubbles. It's like a mini petunia. It has a purple throat. It worked beautiful in the royal lavender, but we wanted more of a pure white color in the other royal baskets. So this is sort of a replacement for Bacopa. So Bacopa does great if you grow it in a shadier area, part sun. If it gets wilted, it pretty much fizzles out for the summer. Petunias are heat tolerant and hardy, so it's a much better match in the royal baskets because they are sun loving and pretty drought tolerant actually. So amazing to see blooms already. But we're doing the royal baskets this week and next week. And so I'm excited that these are here. They look great too. Good job, DeVry. Okay. Up here is a petunia I've never had before. When I looked at the Syngenta website, I thought, geez, I have to have those for my own personal pot. So this is Syngenta Patio Melon Morn, and it's kind of a salmony pink with I think it's a white throat. Yeah. White throat. Morn means it has a white throat on something. If you ever see the word morn, that's what it means in plant language. So I'm super excited for that. I want to do my urns in them on the driveway.
Oh, that'd be pretty.
Yeah.
Although I really did like the geraniums.
I love geraniums.
They just look so tall.
Well, I haven't completely decided. Okay, here we have Petunia Sanguna Radiant Blue. So it's in the same series as that Patio Melon one I have. So this is also purple and white. We use it in our purple favorite basket.
Purple favorite. That's what I was thinking.
This is new for us. We saw it at New Blooms 2 years ago. It's called Petunia Deco Sorbet, and these are going to be the color of the blooms. The blooms will be a little bigger. It's kind of a twin of Supertunia Mini Vistas, the way that they grow, their pattern. Yeah, really, really great growth habit on those, and that's a color Mini Vistas doesn't have.
No, they
This is the Deco Purple. Deco Purple? Yeah, Deco Purple. This bloom color looks just like the Carrie-Anne basket, but a more compact size. Again, it matches that Mini Vista, and it's like the best bright magenta purple. And we have 2 of those trays. Oh, there's one. That bloom is a little darker than the overall plant will be. And this box is really light, so there can't be too much in it. Okay. What do we got? Geraniums.
Calliope?
Calliope large orange splash.
Well, okay, that's what this tag says.
That's not what we ordered.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I hate getting the wrong thing. Seriously. Seriously.
Says orange splash.
Jesus.
You might have to check what you ordered.
Oh, I know what I ordered. Okay. So,
Okay.
got the wrong geranium.
It happens.
Bye.